Look this video, how to do CNC laser cut design. Now we are going to draw this. Select rectangle. Draw the size of plate. Now we are going to draw a circle. Circle 26 millimeters. Now we are going to draw a circle, center to outline box. .35 millimeter size. Then keep small box in the corner of plate box. Then circle keep corner of small box. Then select both. Then duplicate and keep left corner. Select all again, then duplicate. Then keep top. Then delete small box. Then select all. Then combine. Select color. Base plate ready. Do you have any doubt? Please comment me. 20 millimeters miss. Original base plate.